Kazeem, they chair. So therefore, Moko, allow our making go through the things, the concluding part of what we discussed today. Over to you, Cut. My lord, can take over.
Subsection 5, section 36, subsection 5. Now you can outline some things, particularly subsection 6. Section 5 talks say everybody where they are alleged, where they are charged for a crime, the law take them as innocent until proven guilty. You know, say the police and law enforcement, most of them or some of them, the way that they do be say if they carry person, now the person go prove in innocence.
Yes.
It's not supposed to be. Okay. They're supposed to investigate properly. Now then go come prove the guilt of
whether
the person.
They innocent or not.
No be saying that the person will come, they look for evidence, say this and this and that. So section 6, come talk say, every person who is in charge with criminal offense shall be entitled to, they can't list some things. Okay. One, lawyer. They go inform them promptly the offense when you commit. In detail, in the language where you understand. No be say you go carry out someone and say, you want to kill, you go come the talk in Igbo where you don't understand. Yes. No. You go tell her and say, you steal. You don't go talk, say, you know, say, the filter say, we tell her now, as we catch her, we say, you be thief, you be thief. No, that one not do.
Well, let her you go say, as a telling me that do something that's what I don't understand everything. Why you just take English, what I don't understand.
So they go talk her in detail, say, you steal. They go talk her where in steal. They go talk am the time when you steal. They go tell am waiting in steal.
The cloth where you take thief.
I don't know that one. The second one be say they go give them adequate time and facility to prepare for in defense. No, they go just carry on today.
Say tomorrow.
So
they go give them time
tomorrow. They go carry on today. Go court today. Say make you come prove your case today. Lawyer, they no give her a chance to get a lawyer. You're not supposed to be.
So like which kind of time? How many times?
Like how many days?
You know, say if constitution no explain this thing, now we say they discretion of the judiciary and the law enforcement agents. So the government, if the issue come arise, they go continue and say, for ordinary man mind, this time where they give them, now enough time. So now that one, and then go determine that one. Since and the person go get right to defend himself or get a legal practitioner. If
how you go defend himself now? You know,
you know, say some people like lawyer now we then catch, we do something. If it does say I want defend myself, you understand? Yeah. If for some people go even to say I no get money for lawyer, I sabi book. You know, some people they read law book. If you go there and they go to say they be lawyer, they no constitution. They know. If they talk, they go they talk. Whereas you know, so if you talk say I want to do my case myself, if like DSS they do them, if they catch you. They no go give you chance to lawyer. You know, they do them well. They see they do them up to now. You get cases where they do now. You understand? Where they try chook eye into it, say, then tell them, then give standing order, say, this one, as then suspect them for this particular crime. No allow them lawyer. No allow, yes, then give, then.
Which means you don't sentence the person.
They don't sentence, so it happen well. Particularly when it has to do with issue, you know that they believe, say, if so far they allege somebody of terrorism, say the person don't get guilty. It's not supposed to be. Because many people where they carry.
So it can't be like say they
you know, say some people now, you know, the thing where was fast, you say, some people run come out for my degree because then they kill them. They don't kill in papa, in mama.
Exactly, if you run come.
They can't come here. They can't run say, where you come from? You say my degree, they just dump you.
They don't
say, Boko Haram don't come. They do them.
Real one, good evening. Hello? Continue.
Okay, so that one and that. And the lawyer, if they reach court, they get what they call cross-examination.
Okay, of course.
If we don't talk, the lawyer will get chance to cross-examine the person. Judge don't be talk say, come. The person will carry, don't get your radio. I not just want to hear your voice. No cross-examination.
So the lawyer go talk for him, the other lawyer go
so everybody go feel talk. And also, you go get chance, if you don't understand the language of the court, which is English, you go get chance to interpret that for free. Now, court supposed to provide that one. I don't go court before you say, I can't just say, my client has a right to interpreter. The judge tell me, say, you know, get something, say, make we go arrange. I stand up, tell the court, say, my lord, the law says, now the court go provide. Because now ACJ talk, say, now the court supposed to provide. And when I insist, say, me, I don't get money to pay.
Yes.
And this client, we don't dey prison for 7 years, where they not try in case, no fee get money.
So, I want to get
and
money.
I insist, and the court can't pay the interpreter.
You see, so when you insist on waiting, you know, you stand on waiting, you know, say, you don't dey right.
And anytime where the court can't give judgment, you go get right to the judgment, copy of the judgment within 7 days. You understand? It's your constitutionally guaranteed right You understand? When we say you suppose get, court no fit just talk, say maybe they just dump the judgment, say we don't deliver them. Anything
so
we happen,
no court. Give you copy.
Yeah, so that if you want appeal, you go appeal. If you want, you go fit do whatever you want to do with the judgment.
Oh, wow.
The other one we say, anybody where they guilty of an offense, they say make I read that beg. They say no person shall be held guilty of a criminal offense on account of any act or omission that did not. Okay, now what they talk we say, if constitution or if the law no talk say something like crime, even though it appears to look like criminal, crime. It no fit be crime. For instance, adultery in the south, no be crime. You understand? If
for south?
For southwest.
No,
if you go
southwest, which
what I mean, south na Benin, Medo, and southwest na Yoruba, all these Yoruba, Igbo, and for our own side here, adultery no be crime. If na moral issues, na serious. If you go do adultery, person wife, if you kill you, na you sabi. But no be crime if the court fit find person guilty for. But if you try am for not, na crime. You understand? So any crime when no be anything will look like crime or if the fit say na crime, when no be crime, the court no be sentenced. Okay. The constitution comes say the court can't act prospectively. Now we say crime when no be crime at a point. For instance, if today a new law come out, we make something crime.
Of love, something
yes,
you do last year.
Person we can't do something last year, they not fit come carry and say come.
Now it don't
become law. That's the way you do last week.
Yes.
You don't become law this week, so we go carry you. They no fit do. Okay. You understand? No person who shows that he has been pardoned for a criminal offense shall be tried for that same offense. You know, say if they carry person now, they can't pardon them. You know, say state they pardon.
Yes.
Person in prison, they can't pardon them. A person do one crime, they can't pardon them. They're not fit try them again. Or person when they don't try up on top an offense, they're not fit try them again on top the same offense. Okay. Is it that way they don't try them, they don't find them guilty, or they don't find them innocent. They no fit try them on top that same. So those are some of the provisions where the Constitution provides to protect people, so that the law no go hard. Particularly, you know, say some people come now because if they do opposition, they have to say, this one social party, this one not do my party. Just find one crime, just put for anybody. Find something, just so this laws try to protect people so that they not go do waiting go detrimental to their freedoms. So now waiting. So that's I think that ends. Okay. We have not, as I've said, we never talk everything. You understand? We just try to touch many areas. We talk about right to life. We talk about torture. We talk about liberty. We talk about just for us to understand some of this, so that when it occurs, at least you have an idea of
so
what
this DSS thing now, where you say they feel just carry anybody anyhow and say, okay, you don't have right to lawyer.
Una fit dey call now so that we go fit take una phone calls and questions when I get to ask.
How person, which kind of authority or autonomy self they get?
They know, you know. Say,
and who they check them? They belong to themselves.
It appears so. Yeah. It appears so. Though the court they try. You know, so I talk say we don't do one case where we say at least we're able to successfully get our clients out. But before we do it, wait till we see. No be here. You understand? So there has to be a balance. There has to be a balance. And many of these injustices, they make some of this crime fester. Person will not do something, where you carry him papa, you know say papa no be something, you carry and you kill him. You carry him mama, you go, which kind child did they try breed? Yeah. Person will run from scene of war, will run from where they ought. You can't carry him again, can't punish him. Why you not kuku join, you go get the thing and say, why not even join this himself? Make I know say, you understand? Though he doesn't have the right to do that. Yes. He doesn't have the justification to do that. But I'm thinking, if you do, yes, you understand, yes. We have to do the right thing. Make we not just pronounce guilt without trying and without doing the proper things.
Okay. Anyway, when I don't hear already now from our lawyer Adetola Kazeem, we will begin to take on our phone calls. Those of you when we say one call today for ask question. Those of you don't send Twitter message on top Twitter about Wizkid and Linda Ikeji.
Don't worry, we will attend to you.
We will attend to you.
But we will address it. Like doctor, they address patient.
We will take small break. When we come back, we'll begin taking our phone calls.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.